Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, today is day 23. We only have a couple more days, sadly enough. All good things must come to an end. Let's listen what Jenny says.
Always press to the dark side.
Okay, there we go. I love this thing. Oh my gosh, I might have to make one for myself. Oh, I don't know. Is this going to be another ornament or a shaker? Oh, it's a mug. I guessed mug earlier on one of them and was totally wrong. So here we go. Love every stitch. Ooh, I really like this. So those are not embossed, but they are not on top. So that's kind of fun. Oh, it's got a quilt block on the other side. So it's got the no glaze on the bottom, microwave and dishwasher safe. That's really pretty. I like this one a lot. And the box, of course, is fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Penny's Quilt Shop. Oh my gosh. So cute.